What are the hottest web design trends and resources in 2024? Godly website is good website inspiration, more like Web3 AI. Scroll down, there are so many web inspiration. To look on your next project, right-click on the website. So view it if you look at this template, so good. Dora can create a website with a single prompt, and it will generate for you so. Let's type in something like, create a landing page for a tech startup, featuring their flagship product, user testimonials, and a section on their mission and values. So I've created my prompt. It takes me to the backend dashboard where I can generate it using the token, so I'm going to quickly generate that I have 80 credits to start off with because it's just free, so you can see we've got a design here. Let's just go with the first one. I'm going to click generate. Boom. And there we have it. Once we've generated it, the page, you can see it's all that publish this, so click Publish Online. Tilebit. Find the best web design components and inspirations. Similar layouts available for duplication for Figma, Framer, and Webflow. Flowbase is a similar one as well. It's a component library, which is great. For Webflow, also Figma and Framer, which is great. They do have some free plan as well. So if I click on Explore, then what you want to do is select Say. We just click Figma for now, and I'll scroll down to the free license. You want to click on Free. Landbook is web design inspiration similar to Godly Website, template for designer like portfolio, e-commerce. Leave a comment below if this was helpful, and if you want more video like this, remember to subscribe and hit like to grow this channel.